When knitting stranded colourwork, the usual advice is that you need to trap your floats about every inch. So I'm going to show you how to trap a float. So I'm wanting to knit my next stitch, but I'm wanting to trap my other yarn, which is this teal colour. So I'm going to bring that teal yarn underneath the colour I'm wanting to work with, and then bring it over my needle, the opposite to the way I would have brought it around the needle if I was doing a knit stitch. Then I'm going to take the yarn I'm wanting to knit with, and start my knit stitch. And then I'm going to want to knit that without knitting this teal yarn, so I can actually take that off the needle, but you can leave it on there if you don't knit it. And then just knit like that, and then you can just continue knitting. So I'll show that again. So bring your yarn across here between your needles. See, if you were doing a knit stitch, you'd bring it like this. You want to bring it the other way. Bring the yarn you wanted to knit with, and then knit that stitch without knitting the teal yarn, and it just traps it in the back like that, so you don't end up with any really long floats. When trapping your floats, make sure you don't do them all in a column. You're going to want to stagger them, so on the next row, if I needed to trap a float in the same place, I would just do it a couple of stitches either side. This just ensures you don't end up with a column of trapped floats that would show through to the front of your work.